How to fill out taxes with TurboTax. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. The first thing you want to do is choose the right TurboTax version. Once you have selected that, you want to gather all of your documents such as W-2 forms, 1099 forms, and bank interest. Now you want to start your return. For that, sign into TurboTax. Then choose Start a New Return. Now you will have to answer some questions about your life, such as income, job dependence. TurboTax will automatically pull W-2 from certain employers if it is available. Now you will have to enter your income. For that, select wages and income. Now enter your W-2, 1099, self-employment income, which is Schedule C, and rental property income if it is applicable. Then TurboTax will ask you about homeowners deductions, education credits, medical and childcare expenses, charitable donations, and retirement saving contribution to claim your deductions and credits. Once that is done, TurboTax will check for errors. It will show you your refund or taxes owed. You can compare that with last year's return. Then you can choose e-file for a faster refund. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.